Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Oh, daddy. Oh, for fuck's sake. Help! No!
Take off my makeup with me, Venom edition. I really don't want to take this off because I actually love it. Just a little disclaimer, you're probably not meant to take it off like this, but I just want to get it off as quick as I can. I'm just going to like peel it. Oh my god, look at that tooth. Ah! Oh my god, that's mad. My hair is literally rock solid on this side from hairspray. I really don't know how to go about getting the gelatin off my body because I think it's going to take ages. I'm trying to just peel it, but it really hurts, so I think I'm going to use micellar water. The micellar water's working, but it still hurts. This is awful. I resorted to the towel because I'm lazy. So I think I got all the gelatin off, look how red I am, but I'm going to go take the rest of the face makeup off and then I'll be done.
Okay, so I've already started taking this off. I've literally just put my hair back and taken one of the contact lenses out, but I thought I would film the rest because this is going to be really satisfying. So I need to take this one out first and then lashes. Okay, now here's the best part. So I'm really hoping there's going to be peel porn. So here we go. They look gross. So I was really hoping I wouldn't have needed to wash my hair, but as always, there is now blood in my hair and my hair is now very sticky. So I'm just going to take my makeup off as normal and then just jump in the shower. So I'm taking my Bad Habit Arms as usual. I'm just using that to break down the product. Now, my last look I did, I had really bad stain in prom. Now I don't think this is going to stain as much because I haven't really used many pink and red tones. I'm just hoping that the blood isn't going to leave any staining, which I don't think it is. My teeth look absolutely nuts right now because I've been using mouth blood, so don't ban me, TikTok, it's not real. Moment of truth to see if this blood has stained me. Thank you, God. I'm just going to take the rest of it off and then I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll be back in a minute. I forgot to film the rest last night, but I'm getting ready for work now, so obviously it all came off. Thanks, bye!
Guys, let's take this off. Ew. All clean.
Okay, unfortunately it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning and it's time to take this off. One last look at it. Let's take off this hat. In case anybody's wondering, I did make the hat. It's like a Grinch Santa hat. And the top and my nails. Take off the lashes. the other one. I'm probably most sad to take these off. I'm definitely keeping these because I really like them and I want to see if I can use them later. Oh, it hurt. This one's gonna hurt the most. I know some of you guys are wondering, like, why did you use nail glue? Why not just use little stickers that it comes with? I ran out. Time to take this off, but it's gonna get hectic. Zoom in hyper close so you can't see what I'm doing. This isn't going smooth. All right. I think I made it worse. Totally forgot that my TV show is playing in the background, but it's all right. But if you can tell what show I'm watching, comment down below. If you do, tie my hair back really quick so I can rinse my face off. By the way, I'm kind of talking a little bit lower tonight because my fiance's like going to sleep right now, so yeah. You hear my stomach? My stomach's over here growling. All right, let's see how fast I can get this now. Because it's now 2 in the morning. Oh God, I forgot I had glitter. The Grinch is gone.
You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, kitty kitty, you the wrong, get enough to drink with a drop cup. Ha! Hey! So you see how the thing goes? How the thing goes? Oh, you tell me who blend you? And who? Ha!
Time to take all this off. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. Ooh. I have clothes on TikTok. Where do we begin? I have a really hard time hearing anything out of these two areas because it's covering my ears. Let's do this. I'm a little too sad. Now I look like a bug. Oh. I had tape on the back to hold them down. Now I look like I'm about to go swimming. This is the worst part, taking off all this liquid latex. My skin does not like liquid latex, so I'm fingers crossed that this does not go bad and I don't get like an irritation or something. Last piece. Oh. Now we're here. For the contacts. Oh, I am getting better and better at this. Little commotion for these lashes because they're amazing. Amazing. Put my glove on, taking a chunk of this, and just putting it like that. And just rubbing it in. Doesn't look like I got too bad of an irritation, so all went well.
What's wrong with the guy saying you look better without makeup? Because apparently it's a big problem.
Yeah, because it's rude. Like, put yourself in their shoes. Let's imagine that you've put effort into something, and then somebody comes along to tell you that they'd wished that you hadn't. It's rude, right? They're basically telling you that you've wasted your time because what you have done doesn't serve them in some kind of way, assuming that it was meant to when it most likely wasn't. That's a rude thing to do. And that's also ignoring the fact that women in general throughout their entire lives have been told what to do, what not to do, what to wear, what not to wear in order to serve men in our society. It's really annoying and it's just rude. What would be better to say, and would still get your point across, is to say something like, you know what, I think you look gorgeous even before you put makeup on. So then you're getting your point across. You're saying that you think they look good without makeup, whilst also not negating the efforts that they've put into their makeup when it wasn't for you.
Hey kid,
It's nice to eat ya. Are you ready for some Fazbear pizza?
Who's this? Working at the night shift?
I don't know, but I don't think I like him.
He's so cute, I can feel his heart racing. About time we had a brand new plaything.
Another yellow belly balking like a chicken. Listen, gang, I say that we dig it.
Olá, gente, tô há 7 horas fazendo essa make aqui, ó. Meu arquinho maravilhoso que eu fiquei dias fazendo também. E agora chegou a hora mais esperada, que é de tirar. Ai, que pena tirar essa maquiagem. Não, gente, eu não vejo a hora de tirar essa maquiagem. Tá linda, eu amei. Eu não sei vocês, mas eu amei. Mas assim, eu tô louca pra tirar. Vamos começar pelo arquinho. Olha eu falando fanha por causa desse focinho aqui. Começar pelo arquinho. Maravilhoso, que eu vou deixar na minha estante. E agora, gente, eita, eu quero muito tirar essa prótese, vocês não estão entendendo. Ai, senhor, eu preciso retirar pelo nariz. O olho vai junto. Senhor, o papel higiênico já entrou quase no meu cérebro essa altura. Nossa, não tá saindo. Meu namorado tá me olhando de uma forma estranha. Para. Gente, que merda. É isso, né? Ui. Só derrota, gente. Daqui pra frente é só derrota. E essa é minha baby taurininha. É a Baby Bowie. Oi, filha. É a make do signo dela. Restos mortais do que foi um dia um touro.
Take off my Spyro makeup with me. I have had this on for so many hours. While I'm happy, I'm also sad because this is the cutest cosplay I've ever done. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Don't want to break it. Take off this little dude. This one's gonna... Gosh. Oh, please come off in one piece. Oh. Ow. Rip this off. And all the scales. I'm gonna have a shower. BRB. Aw, I'm a human again.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. It's been so long since I've done a removal video. Also, it's currently 2 a.m. and everyone's asleep, which is why I'm like quiet. Frankly, we reached the time when my desire to sleep is stronger than my desire to keep this makeup on my face. I want to cry about taking this off, but frankly, I don't have any more energy. And now it's time for the bedtime dose of pain. Yep, I love hurting myself for views. I feel like making these icicles definitely took longer than putting them on. But I was smart about this, I used a bald cap. So the majority of the latex is just the one holding the bald cap. It's still gonna hurt. It's okay though, just a quick motion, never mind. It's stuck. Wow, it looks a lot less cool without my face in it. Can't forget the contact. I'm gonna go shower.
Let's take off my makeup with me. This will be so painful, but let's go. I can't really speak because it's like covering my mouth, but this is gonna be so painful. Oh my god. Okay, now I just need to remove like the rest of this and this and I'll be back. Taking off this latex is so painful, oh my god. Okay, there we go. I finally got all the rest off and it was horrible. Like, I'm never doing that again. It hurts so bad.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just ripped the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.